Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it is possible because you are broke? Hello. In today's video, I will show you how you can travel to United States and study for free. If this is something you're interested in, don't even sleep. Wake up. Keep on watching this video all the way till the end. And just so you know, I will also be covering certain things that you should watch out for before you come to the United States. I'll be sharing errors that lots of students make as a bonus tip for you guys. So come with me, let's go. So guys, are you planning to study abroad in this year or even next year? I know it's a big and exciting step. So whether it's a world-class education that you're seeking or international exposure that you want or career opportunities that you're after, guys, please note that studying abroad actually opens doors to a life-changing experience. But let's be real. Let's not just, talk about packing your bags and hopping into the plane. This journey of yours requires smart planning and avoiding a few common slip-ups that can break your own dream. Now, here are the top 7 errors that students tend to make and how you can avoid them. Number 1, choosing a course without the long-term thinking. Yeah, that popular tech program or that design course that sounds great, but is it actually what you want to do in the long run? Take your time to research your career opportunities that are associated with your own course before you apply. Then ask yourself, where does it take me? Where does this actually take me? Will it make me employable years down the line? Or are you picking a program without objectives? It usually results into regrets in life, yes, later in life, and it leads to lots of time and money. Now, avoiding scholarship opportunities, guys, don't miss out on scholarship opportunities. That's why I always preach it on this channel. Don't sleep on these opportunities. They are there. They're in every school, I tell you, and I'll tell you certain things as well. Just keep on watching this video all the way till the end. So guys, a lot of people lose out on scholarship applications, on scholarships just because they never make an application. Make sure that you're not one of them. There are financial aids that are available to almost every type of student. Yes, academic high flyers, community leaders, even specialists, yes, subject experts. Please make sure that you plan ahead, you research, and you have scholarships that, take the strain off your financial purse. Now, some of you don't budget for living costs. Many students spend all their attention on tuition, but it's only half of the equation. Now, what about your rent? What about your food? What about your transport, insurance? These everyday expenses can catch up with you real quick. Now, research the average costs in your own destination city and budget accordingly. It will take loads of stress away from you once you are here. Applying at the last minute is something that you shouldn't do. You may think that there's enough time and then you see the deadlines coming. Procrastination. Don't procrastinate. Because when you procrastinate, it ends up, it means you have very few choices of university. Begin at least 12 to 15 months in advance. That gives you a breather to think, to think critically, to write solid applications, and to make educated decisions. Please prepare for language tests, even if you speak English or another language. Yes, guys, most universities still require evidence of, maybe IELTS, TOEFL, test of English and foreign languages, and all of that. So make sure that you schedule these tests. Don't schedule them at the last minute. Take them really seriously because it can delay. Now, study ahead of time. Give yourself time and retake the test if necessary. Please don't ignore students' visa regulations. Every country has their unique visa process, and messing it up can be a nightmare for you. From bank statements, health insurance, biometric appointments, it can be a lot to handle. Be informed, guys. When you are in doubt, consult with someone that is familiar inside the system. Now, don't try to do it all. Living abroad is thrilling, but it's also complicated. From choosing your courses to admissions to visa and formalities, how much can you do by yourself? This is where I come in. If you have questions, you need assistance, each step of the way, I can help you make informed decisions. Just, join my Patreon community, or you can book a 1-hour full consultation with me. I'm going to put the link in the chat. Now let's get right into how to apply for this scholarship. Have you heard of Wine State University Scholarship? It is fully funded. Just in case you're wondering, you can actually study here in the United States for free. And guys, my besties, are you dreaming of studying in the United States of America without worrying about tuition, without worrying about living expenses or even healthcare services? Guys, Wayne State University might just be your ticket to a fully funded education this year, and let's dive into it. So guys, this opportunity is not just good, it is extraordinary because Wayne State University in Detroit, Michigan is offering a fully funded scholarship for international students that are pursuing a master's or PhD. And here are some of the key benefits. Number one, full tuition. They also cover your monthly living stipends. They also cover your health insurance. Health insurance is very important too. For those of you that come here and think, oh, I will not be sick in Jesus' name. Okay, now let's talk about eligibility. If you're wondering if you qualify, if you're an aspiring grad student from any country around the world and you are welcome to apply. The category is master's and PhD. Yes, eligible countries, all countries in the world are eligible to apply. So make sure that you mark your calendar. Why choose Wayne State University? Guys, Wayne State University is not just generous, it's also dynamic, and they are located in the heart of Detroit. It is a top-tier research university with a strong commitment to global scholars like you. Yes, so guys, if you are ready to turn your academic goals into a reality, don't even sleep on it. Don't wait. Oh yeah, start preparing right away. Yes, start writing your application and make sure that you meet that deadline. It is coming up soon. Make sure that you like this video, share this video with your friends and your village members. Here, I share lots of updates and, on study abroad, and I also share lots of tips that will help you. And if you have any question for me, I'd love to help you out. You can go ahead and join my Patreon community so that you can book a one-on-one consultation with me. Studying abroad this year might be one of the smartest things that you will ever do if you do it right. So stay clear of all the pitfalls and you will be on your way to having a smooth, successful, and stress-free study abroad. So guys, that is it. As always, I have done all the homework for you. Go ahead and find the link in my description. And yes, if you are new here, ain't me, that's the culture here. That is our ritual on this channel. Introduce yourself in the comments. I want to know you. What is your name? Where are you watching from? How did you find my video? Please share with me in the comments. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, before I introduce myself, I want to say big thank you to all of my amazing returning subscribers. Thank you for always sharing out my videos. Thank you for your love and your incredible support. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you. God bless you real good. And yes, if you have not introduced yourself yet, please go ahead and do that right now. I want to know every single one of you because I know everyone that tunes in to watch my videos on this channel. Yes, I know all of you by your names, by your comments. So make sure that you leave a comment here because I really, really would like to hear from you. And don't forget, this is not just my channel. It is your channel. It is our channel. There are no stupid questions here. Feel free to ask your questions. I will respond to you. It is me, moi. I will respond to you and I'll share with you my own personal experiences and how I was able to, bag a second degree here in the United States. I actually got my master's degree in business administration from the prestigious California State University, Dominguez Hills. But there are lots and lots and lots of opportunities that a lot of people are not aware of. So please go ahead and share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. I found a lot of scholarships and I'm going to share them. Don't worry. I've got you guys covered. We don't hoard information on this channel. So I've got you covered. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. I'll be sharing with you a lot of scholarships that I found in China, in Japan, South Korea, New Zealand. I found another one in the UK, like a lot of, even in Canada. Yes, I got like 6 of them in Canada. So you don't want to sleep on it. I found a lot of affordable universities. So instead of you spending all your time on the internet and going to the wrong places to seek information, you can be rest assured that this channel is your plug, is your go-to channel when it comes to, valuable resources, information about studying abroad and getting the right school, getting the right fit for you. So guys, that is all I have for you in today's episode. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing and I am so proud of you. And in case no one is doubting, in case anyone is doubting how far you can go, please go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. All right, take care guys and bye for now. Love you.